So you may have heard of bed sores or pressure ulcers, different types of skin breakdown that nursing home residents often experience. But what is it that actually causes this to happen? My name is Justin Varughese. I'm one of the nursing home abuse attorneys here at Parker Waichman. I want to talk with you today about one of the major causes of pressure ulcers, or bed sores as they're known as in nursing home residents. One thing that most people are very well aware of is the fact that blood carries nutrients to different parts of the body. The blood that flows through our entire systems to all of our organs and the different portions of our body is carrying nutrients to the different portions of the body. That includes the skin. And the skin is the largest and one of the most important organs that we have on our body. And as the blood flows to the different areas of our skin, that's how the skin remains healthy. Now what you'll notice is, for instance, if you were to take your thumb and push it against a table or even another part of your body and then take a look at your thumb, you'll notice it changed color for a moment. It went from red to something else. And the reason for that is because the pressure is causing the blood not to flow to that particular area for that moment. And that's the reason why having unrelieved pressure on any one portion of your body for an extended period of time compromises that area of the skin, because the pressure that's happening there is preventing the blood from reaching the skin. This is the reason why when we sit in a chair or lie on our beds, we don't stay in one place for a long period of time. We move around so that the blood can actually flow to the different parts of our body. Now, for an elderly resident who's in a nursing home, they may not be able to move on their own. And as a result, if they're left laying in one position for too long, what happens is, just like what happens with your thumb when you push it against a table, what happens is that pressure and unrelieved pressure on one particular part of the body prevents blood from flowing, and that oxygenation that comes from that blood and the nutrients to go to that portion of the skin. This is why it's incredibly important for nursing homes to be turning and repositioning their patients on a regular basis. So if you've got a loved one at a nursing home, it's important that you take note of that and make sure that they're not being left in one position for a long period of time. The standard of care requires that every resident be repositioned every 2 hours by the nursing staff. So if you don't see that happening for your loved one at a nursing home, it's important that you go and talk to a nurse and make sure that they take care of that and that they're moving your loved one every 2 hours to relieve the pressure on that part of the body. There's a lot to be said about what causes a bed sore, but I hope I've been able to answer at least one or two of your questions about it. I would love to talk with you some more. So if you have any other questions, I'd invite you to give me a call. You can dial 1-800-800-9797. Again, my name is Justin Varughese. I'm one of the attorneys here at Parker Waichman, and I thank you for your time.